Hey everybody, I got another pocket letter for you today. So this one is for Facebook, my Facebook group. It is called Under the Sea. So Under the Sea pocket letter. So I made a scene, an Under the Sea scene. So I found this cool picture of a ship. I googled pirate ship, and then I just printed the image. And then because it was printed on white, right? So I just found a blue that matched my blue paper, and I just filled in the spaces. So I got a ship here. Then I made a sun, and little clouds, and that's my whale. That's my new die cuts. Then I made waves. The waves are on the outside of the pocket letter, and that's my new turtle die cut. I found these really cool fish stickers, foam stickers at Dollarama. There's like 100 stickers in this container. It was like $3. It's pretty cool. I got those at Dollar Tree, a Dollar Tree store. So yeah, and those are my new die cuts. My fish, these, and this is one piece. One die cut, one set. So yeah, there's my little turtle, and I put metallic paper in there. And those are my sparkly little shells. That came in a big packet at Walmart. Of sparkles. Different sparkles. There's a foam seaweed. More shells. A cute little seahorse. Yeah, more shells. Oh, I like it. This is not the original version. I changed it. I didn't like the 3 middle squares, so I changed them. So this is the new design. So yeah, that is the front of my Under the Sea pocket letter, and I'll show you the back. So I included everything I used in the back. So I got some turtle die cuts. There's all my fish. And then I got more foam. That's supposed to be an octopus. It's pretty weird. Like an octopus. I included some sparkle shells, seahorses, and some little boats. And then more fish, and even more fish, and even more fish. Also I'm going to include these stickers. Look at these cool stickers. Mermaid, Princess of the Sea, Under the Sea, see? Under the Sea. Swim like a mermaid, shells, enchanted ocean. Take a splash. Yeah, these are clear stickers. So they're used for cards and things. So yeah, I thought those were cool. Found that at my local dollar store. Dollar-ish store. And then I found these. Look how shiny these fish are. And they match what I put on the pocket letter. So yeah. Also, I'm going to include some coloring pages because I like coloring pages. So I got one of a turtle and seahorse, that kind of thing. So I'm going to do coloring pages, 2 sheets of stickers, and the pocket letter. So yeah, that is my Under the Sea pocket letter. Oh, so the die cuts I got from AliExpress. They're in one of my AliExpress videos. So I think it's in the June video. So yeah, that is my Under the Sea pocket letter. Later.